So here's a quick tutorial. Not a lot online. I did see one video and some guy explained this, but he didn't show actually how to do this. If you have a rear projector screen, JVC, this is a 61-inch, it's an older model, works perfectly. It needed its lamp replaced. Basically what you do is, if you really want to get your screen to look clear, remove this. It's a few screws. It comes off. It's not a big deal. If you're handy, or even if you're not, it's not a huge deal. There's a few screws along the top, a few along the bottom. Okay, there's a plate. 4 screws, 2 on top, 2 on bottom. Take that off. A few wire connectors right in here. Just unplug those, lay them down. And then the guy showed this. One here on this side, and one on the opposite side. Okay, take those off. I believe that's the only 2 that were on there. Also, your lamp door that will be on here with the screw, the one screw that's here, remove that, because that will hold it up, as he explained, and he did a good job. Your lamp is inside here. If you wanted to just do the quick fix, unscrew your lamp, screw, undo that, pull this out, replace it with another one. Okay, since this TV is pretty old and we got it secondhand, after you unscrew these, this thing is going to be full of dust because there's a lot of fans and it blows a lot of dust through it. Look how easy that is. It all just slides on out. Just slides out. You just take the whole unit out. Your projector is right there. Clean that. Clean the entire contents inside here with a rag, vinegar, water, whatever. But that projector, use isopropyl alcohol and a lens cleaning cloth. It'll save you a lot of heartache. Get a vacuum cleaner, suck all the dust out. One thing I did is I took off this lamp projector housing. It's got a fan in here, right there. There's a fan in the front. I'm not sure if you can even see this. There's a case right here where those wires are going into. There's a fan inside. The fan is right there. I took it all out because it's only a few screws. Clean all of that out. What it does is it takes the air and sucks it from inside through the cavity over all of those circuits inside there, through the fan, cools off the lamp, and it goes through this duct right here and blows it out. There's a lot of dust that gets collected in there. It's good to clean out that fan really extensively, and that way it works good. Longevity, maintenance wise, you're gonna save a lot of years on this. Over here, tons of dust gets collected. It gets sucked in through this pore over here, and it gets accumulated over time. Just clean it out. Just be careful. There's I think there's a capacitor on there. Just try to clean as much as you possibly can. Wipe this area down. Wipe it down as best you can. Like I said, this part comes off. It's really simple. There's a few screws, 4 of them on top. Just take it off, and there's one also on the side. That whole thing comes off. And inside there is a prism lens where that hole is, right under here. So when the lamp is on and it projects the light through, it hits a prism lens. The prism lens, clean that off, isopropyl alcohol also. That's about as much as I can give you. Again, super easy, comes right out. I mean, I was very surprised how simple it is, and all it does is slides right back on in. Just be very careful and slide it on in, and that's it. You shouldn't have any spots. That, when it gets dusty, projects spots on the TV screen. But, that's it. It's just reverse order. Put the 2 screws in. After this is pushed into place, connect your wires back up. Where'd they go? They're all It's no complication to it. They're not the same. They're all different. You can figure that out. Most people are pretty smart. I give a lot of people credit because they're way smarter than they think. And then, you know, just put your plates back on. Once it's on there, put that one on there that way, so I don't have anybody commenting that I showed them the wrong way. Put all your screws back on with your back housing plate, and that's it. It should all work. And that's it. This is the front of it. This is the 61-inch. If it would focus. Well, anyway, once it's on there, you go onto the program menu and then search for your lamp replacement to turn it off, the update off. That way it's replaced and it won't keep flashing every time you turn the TV on. Hopefully this helps.